Hi everyone and welcome to Danka Praktik. If you have a dishwasher machine, a part of the regular maintenance on it is to clean the filter. Over time, filth, food scraps and debris gather on the filter and can get it clogged. We'll show you how to do it on our washing machine, but the basic principle is the same for almost any machine out there. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
Besides this video, you also have our videos about cleaning the filters on a washing machine. This is one more filter system you have to check on a regular basis in your household. If you want to see how to do this, click on the card in the corner or on the link in the description. The error code. Before we start, just to mention that if the filter is seriously clogged, the dishwashing machine may stop working. In that case, usually you'll get an E22 error code on the display. How to find the filter. The filter is located at the bottom of the washing machine, at the center near the spray arms. You'll immediately notice it when you pull out the lower dish rack. It looks like a small circular plastic basket. How to clean the dishwasher filter. Needless to say, it's best to do this when the machine is empty. First, unscrew the filter. Turn it counterclockwise until it releases from the metal tray under it. As you'll see, the filter is made out of two parts. A smaller basket for bigger debris and a fine filter for smaller debris. Take the filter apart by pressing two plastic clips on the smaller basket. If you haven't cleaned it for a while, you'll probably see a lot of filth and gunk on it. You can clean the filter by using just some dishwashing detergent and a sponge. Rub until the filter is squeaky clean, especially thoroughly clean the mesh part of the filter. While doing this, it's good practice to clean the metal under tray, which is also a sort of filter. Just lift it up and remove it. You can also clean it with detergent and water. When you lift the tray, you can see the drain of the machine and check for any debris and clean it if needed. Once you return the under tray, put the filter back together. Push one part of the filter into the other until the plastic clips click into place. Screw the filter back into place. Insert it into the hole and turn it clockwise. And that's it, the filter is cleaned. Once you get the hang of it, it takes only a couple of minutes to do. The filter should be checked at least once a month. Unscrew it, give it a check, clean if needed, and return it back. In the end, we suggest that you always clean bigger pieces of food and debris off of the dishes before putting them into the machine. This is the main reason why the filter gets clogged and why the machine may stop working. If you don't do this, be prepared to check the filter more often. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.